Alright, Peter here, working on some flare connections here. Like everybody else I have that deals with flare connections, they are a real pain in the neck because, well, they tend to leak. And to say that you need to do perfect fittings is an understatement. So I'm currently working on a heat pump project. And I thought I would share this, that's something that helped me getting better fittings and taking care of connections that tend not to leak. This has helped a lot, so I thought I would share that. I had a bunch of connections that had, you know, when you do a pressure test on them, you know, they came out a little leaky. So this seemed to really help. So what I've done is I've already made the connection using the typical Home Depot flare tool. So you notice it's you can see the marks that were created by the teeth on the tool. You can see the tool here in the background. And so what I do is I take a Dremel tool and I polish it with a stainless steel fitting there. So this helps. I do both the exterior side and the interior too. Let's give it a couple of turns. See if we can get the edges. This gets, by polishing it, it gets all the rough edges off of it, and it gives a nice polished fitting in the middle. So in the end, you're getting a nice fitting here. So a nice polished fitting. Now let's go ahead and check the. Let's grab a and see how it looks. It came out pretty good. So I think I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm not actually going to use this connection, but well, I may end up, who knows, but it's not bad. Anyway, I've found this to be very useful, and I hope it helps you. This is the typical stainless Dremel tool attachment. It does a good job. You know, typical Dremel rotary tool. So hope this helps, and good luck.